Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today, the 11th of January. So we got a fairly decent pullback onto structure, and we got a nice rejection there. It was the 61.8 Fibonacci. No, sorry, it wasn't. It was a 50% Fibonacci, wasn't it? Let me just get there. Sorry, 50% Fibonacci. See right there. We'll leave that in for now and take it out just now. So fairly decent. What you would expect now is sort of a 161 extension, and I don't have it in on here, so which normally works out to be something like this. That's what you would expect us to be aiming for. And as I said yesterday, a little bit messy because there isn't really, I mean, this is the only bit of structure here, and this high and this high is probably a better bit of structure than this one here. Anyway, doesn't really matter. It is a zone, so you'd probably be targeting that zone. Bear in mind, we have CPI tomorrow, so we're waiting for CPI, and then we have earnings season kicking off on Friday with the banks. So we've got banks, we've got retailers, and then we'll have tech stocks. So there's a lot of stuff that's happening here. You could have people's inside information, or you could just be, market setting up to trap a lot of people. I have a feeling we sort of, the results are going to be like, okay, they're not going to be bad, they're not going to, sort of shoot the lights out. But I also think we're probably going to have a stable CPI, so it's going to continue with this volatility for quite a while longer. So I think your structure on the higher time frames is really just going to be support and resistance zones to buy and sell off. If we start looking at the 3 hour, you can see it was kind of a messy move because pre-market we tested and we rallied, and then at the open we got this horrible bit of structure here. You actually see it better on the 1 hour, but look at the separation here of our oscillators, and that is telling. So obviously we need to get above the high of the week right now for this to play out, or otherwise what we're looking at is move down, pull back, lower high forming for a move back down, and we'll probably be sort of forced to stumble here again, as that was a previous bit of structure. So I think the trend is up. You're looking to buy, to the move up. I want to show you here. See, there's a nice tweezer bottom engulfing bar as well, right here off the 50% Fibonacci, and then nice strong rally. But then the market open. Look at this big weird range bar here that just confused a lot of people. But ultimately the trend was up and price moved up. So if you look to the left, you can see there's quite a bit of let's get rid of this. If you look to the left, there's quite a bit of structure here, right there, where we are at the moment. So you would be looking for, ultimately you're looking for a pullback. Look at the oscillators here, they're grouping to the upside. So this move could be up, could be a flag forming, big move down, flag forming. And I'm just going to use the Fibonacci here again because something is brewing. We're just above the 61.8. So there is merit for the bear traders for a short here. This potentially being a flag. Just draw the lines in, and you'll see what I mean. So there's the bottom of the flag. There's the top of the flag. So just above the 61.8. So there is merit saying this is a potential top for a pullback, which is what I would assume is going to happen. I definitely don't want to be long there, but I don't think we're going to have much of a pullback. So from a 15-minute perspective, the trend is up as well. So what we're looking for is something along the lines of this. Right, so we're looking for, if it is a pullback, we're looking for something down to 33,696 and obviously 33,700. We're looking for that to be defended, and then we're looking for a move to the upside. The other situation would be a break, and this level is a little bit messy. Let's just try and get it structured. Let's just say it like that. So the other way of looking at this is we're looking for a break and retest of 33,778 for a move to come and test the previous highs here, which is 33,943 area. So that's kind of the setup that we've got at the moment. Yesterday was messy. You can see there, really, really messy. Big up, big down, big up, and then confusion. But again, got above the 155 EMA. Shows you how powerful this strategy is. Above my moving averages, got the crossover, and now we've got a confirmed trend. So as far as I'm concerned, pull back to here, 33,696, pull back to 33,700 area is a buying opportunity. Nice thing is you're probably going to have a 50 to 100 point stop loss, and the gain is going to be, take it from there, is around 150 points. So very low risk, very high reward. That's kind of what we're looking for. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Either a pullback or a breakout and retest of this high of the morning at the moment. Those are the two options that we're looking for. You want to keep those stops tight because on the higher time frames we are looking a little bit tired. But and we're obviously waiting for data tomorrow being CPI and then the start of earnings as well. So it could be a really volatile day tomorrow. I think today you're probably going to have more of the same of this. So it's going to be pretty much sort of up and down, low volumes, and just looking to tackle the next level. I don't see any major breakouts. I don't see any major moves today. Probably even just a wide range that should set itself up. But then again, remember, somebody always knows what's going on, and it could be a situation of people know what's going on that are buying in and getting themselves set up, or it could be a situation of people that know what's going on and are just pushing price up to their short entry so that they get better risk, they get a better trade. So just be very wary of that. There's way too much happening tomorrow that could influence the direction one way or another. Anyway, that's kind of my view. Onwards and upwards at the moment. It is in an upward trend. You want to go with the trend, and until the data's out, you want to be just go with the flow. Just keep staying with the flow. Bank your profits, and then wait for the data, and then we'll reevaluate from there. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.